Hey guys, today I will be showing you this simple DIY MAXTRAX roof mount that can quickly go on and off your roof. But first, the most exciting part about this video, the intro. This is Ben, welcome to my channel, and welcome to Alaska. So this video will start my Bengineering series, which is a pretty corny name for my off-road and outdoor related DIY projects. Like I said in the intro, I'll show you my DIY MAXTRAX mount that fits to OEM style crossbars. This mount will fit 2 or 4 MAXTRAX on your roof rack, and it's quickly removable. I need to take it off so I can get in my garage and I can't have anything on my roof. Being honest, this is a pretty expensive solution. It costs about $330 USD before shipping. You might be saying, Ben, why don't you go with one of the aftermarket roof racks like the Prinsu or the similarly built aluminum roof racks from all the other companies that make them these days? And I like the OEM style crossbars with an aftermarket roof rack. Not 100% sure if I'd still fit in my garage because I literally have about that much room to fit in my garage. So any height added onto my rig right now would not be able to fit in my garage, which is why I made this mount quickly removable so I can take it on and off. The mount is pretty simple. It's made of 3 primary components. We have the Warrior Products MAXTRAX mounting plate right here. The mounting clamps are these Thule clamps that are replacement clamps for one of their baskets or one of their roof boxes, not sure which. Got them from eTrailer. They're pretty simple. Basically, you just wrap this around the crossbar and then it secures in right there. And then you can just tighten this guy on top right here, and that will secure it to your crossbar. And then we have the MAXTRAX mounting pins right there, which are pretty common. I'm sure you guys have seen those. I took off one of these Thule clamps right here to show you. So essentially, like I showed you earlier, this little guy just kind of tightens in there, pretty easy. And then you just screw this righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to secure it. It has an M6 thread on top right there. And just to make sure that it fits inside the channels, you're going to, and the nut doesn't fall through, you'll need a washer. This washer is 1 inch wide. And so I just put it there, wedged between the mounting plate and the washer, and then just secured an M6 lock nut on top of it like that, and then just tightened it down, and basically just got enough threads on there to keep it tight without any threads sticking out of the lock nut. The MAXTRAX mounting pins are pretty easy to use. If you want to hold 2 boards, you rotate both of them like so, and then if you want to hold 4 boards, you just rotate the top one only 90 degrees like that. That can hold 4 boards. I recommend getting the turning wrench for these pins. You can find them online. I'll link to one below. And you can also just use a small plier or something like that. That's what I use outside in the cold especially. It can be really difficult in the cold to turn both of these with your hands, especially when you're stretched out over your roof rack. The MAXTRAX pins just barely clear these Thule clamps, but they do clear them and there is enough space. And they line up all the pinholes so that they fit the same hole spacing on the MAXTRAX board itself. I'll link to all the products below, and if you're in the Anchorage area and you're looking for some MAXTRAX, you can go hit up Total Truck on Dowling and they'll get you hooked up. That wraps it up. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos covering Alaska off-roading, DIYs, product reviews, and life in the last frontier.